am so excited about this, and I can't wait. Really, this is such a genius idea. So whether you want to spend a weekend in San Francisco, a week in the south of France, or a month in Japan, imagine instead of having to pay for expensive hotels and accommodations, you could have an entire house, not a small hotel, but an entire house, and you can do it for free.
That's right. This is what Home Exchange is all about. And with us today is the founder and president of Home Exchange, Ed Cushions. So welcome Ed. Welcome. Such a brilliant idea.
So, and on your right is Priscilla, who is, you are here on Exchange, right? You're on holiday right now. Yep. So we're going to get into that in a little bit. All right, so lay it out for the audience. What is Home Exchange?
Simplest terms, you stay in my house, I stay in yours. You can do it anywhere in the world. You can live like a local, stay for free.
How did you come up with this idea, this concept?
You know, I actually did a home exchange sort of unofficially in the early 90s. I thought it was such a cool way to travel that I wanted to share it, and I started a little club. It was just an informal way for people to do it. And when the internet came out, it changed everything. We went from a little club to a worldwide phenomenon.
So, Priscilla Korver, right?
Yeah.
You're here visiting from?
The Netherlands, from Amsterdam.
Okay, and so someone is currently staying in your home.
That's correct.
And you're here.
Yeah.
Is this the first time you've done this?
No, this is already our third time.
Wow. And how's your experience been?
It's been great. We have had such great exchanges already. We went to the US before and also to Paris for a week.
What other country? What other state did you stay in the U.S.?
First year we went to Florida, and then last year we were also here in California.
So what attracts you to a house that makes you want to? Because these people have to come into your home, right? They have to agree. So what are you looking for when you're looking for a house and the kind of people you want?
Well, actually, we're just looking for a nice family home. It has to look a little clean and cozy and friendly. And then also, if there is a pool, is a big perk, of course.
What is a big perk?
A pool.
A pool. Oh, yes.
But while you're here and others are in your house, are you worried about your belongings, your private matters? Do you lock things up?
I do lock a little bit of some things up because I also work from my home. So some papers and some hard drives, I lock them up. But I'm not worried at all. We keep in contact all the time. So we email each other. Are you okay? We are okay. So.
Have you ever had anything broken in your home or things that you had to deal with in an emergency?
Once our blender broke, which I saw the drinks. I'm kind of sorry about now. The blender broke, and we never used it. So I said, please don't replace it. It's okay.
Now, and let me ask you this: what is sort of the workflow or the common sort of path that people take? You just don't go, sure, I'll trade. Where are you from? Do they spend time getting to know each other before they're willing to trade a house?
It's a lot like internet dating, but for your house. So people post their listing on our website, and other people can see that listing, and as soon as your house is posted, you're going to start to get inquiries from all over the world. It might be from LA to San Francisco, or it might be from Denmark or Sydney, Australia. And at the same time, you can find places that you want to go and send inquiries. And that's the process. You get inquiries and you find places that you may want to go from inquiries you get, or you send inquiries that you want to go. And it's that simple.
Can you exchange other things other than a home, like a car or boat? RV, bus?
Car, I know Priscilla is doing a car exchange right now.
Cars as well. Yeah.
So wait, you've come here and you're driving their vehicle, and then do you need extra insurance, or do you make sure that they're insured?
Yeah, I asked about it, and that's okay.
That's fine. So as you're going through this process, are there questions that you ask of this person you're swapping homes with that really leads you down to a road of getting to know them much quicker and easier? Or does it take along many months of spending time with them on the internet to get to know them?
Well, you have to get your dates. They have to be able to come to your house at the same exact date that you want to go on holiday. So in the process of doing that, you say, well, how are you? What are you doing? What are you up to? It's very casual process. So, and besides that, you ask, is there anything you would like to know about Amsterdam? Is there something you're looking for? Is there a reason why you're traveling here? Those kind of things.
What's the longest you've been away?
this one is going to be the longest. I'm staying a month.
Oh, my.
Really? And they're staying in your place for a
They're
month?
staying a little shorter.
So
Because
they come-
after we go, I'm now in Westlake Village, and after that we're going to San Francisco.
So you have some photos of what, just to give us an idea of the types of homes
Yeah.
that people stay in. If we can show those, we'll get an idea.
Okay,
Yeah,
you
this
stay
is
like-
where you're staying now, the type of home that you would
Yes.
be staying in. Oh, it's lovely.
It is lovely.
Yeah.
I love it. It's beautiful.
Have you ever had an experience, Ed, where somebody posts pictures and somebody shows up and goes, "This is not what I saw,"
Yeah,
or
like,
some
I don't like
positive
this
experience?
We've been doing this since 1992, and it's never happened.
Something
Excuse me,
like
what
that.
are we
never
looking
happened.
at here, right here?
This is the part
It's
of your
our garden
yeah.
now.
This
Our
is the
garden.
garden.
That's not my
Beautiful.
garden. The garden I'm staying.
Oh, that's lovely.
It is lovely.
Really
I'd
lovely.
be looking for a castle. I'd be like, anybody got a castle? I want to stay in a castle.
But there are
we
castles
have
on there.
There are.
Oh, there are?
And there are boats I think you can exchange too, right? Like if you wanted to stay on someone's boat for 2 weeks?
We have castles, penthouses, log cabins, regular family homes, everything runs the cabin.
Is there a contract between these people at all, or is it simply the keys under the mat, they pass each other in the night sky going from the Netherlands?
We have an agreement that lays out the expectations, who's staying, when they're staying, who's going to pay for the cleaning lady, any bills, what happens if a blender gets broken. So all those things are very clearly and easily laid out so people know what to expect.
Well, you do get bills. If you're away on a monthly basis, you have to make sure that they're paid and all that. So you work out all that ahead of time, I
Well,
assume.
it would be the same as if you were away on a vacation at a hotel. You would make those same arrangements.
Okay, now you say that it's free, but it's not really free. Are there any costs involved anywhere?
There's one cost, and it's a yearly membership fee
Which
of
is how much?
$120. That's it.
For the year?
For the year,
Okay.
unlimited exchanges, and that means no extra per day or per exchange fee, no matter how many exchanges you make. So if Priscilla's here for a month, and then they go back to Amsterdam and then spend a weekend in Paris, there's no charge of any kind.
So,
Where's your next trip, Priscilla? Where are you going to go?
Oh, I don't know yet. That's the most exciting thing about exchanging. I never know what kind of questions from where around the world I could get. I could be anywhere.
Where would you go,
did
Mark?
you? Well, I'm going all the way to the bank. You know how much money you can save doing this? That's ridiculous. If you were to pay for a hotel
I
in
know.
LA for a
I love
month,
it.
I would never have
this.
been able to go here.
and I'm just trying to do the quick math, it must say it's $10 a month, so
And
it's
if you
30
have
some cents
so
a
many
day.
kids, you might need 2 or 3 hotel rooms.
Well, that's right. Here's some a little information for you. There are currently over 46,000 exchanges in over 140 countries. So go sign up. You never know where you're going to go on your next vacation. This is great.